Hi, this is Liz Lovelace, and this is my Week 5 presentation. Question 1. How do I continue to learn when I'm expected to teach? I received some really good feedback from my peers earlier on in the week, and some of the things that they had suggested were invite meaningful discussions, expect to learn in unexpected ways, and read from the best books. I think that that's great advice. I think that when we are inviting meaningful discussions, we will learn in unexpected ways because a lot of times students have a lot to teach us if we have an open heart and an open mind, and that we will learn in unexpected ways. And then also reading from the best books. I was told several years ago when I was called to teach at church that if I would read the scriptures daily that I would have the Spirit with me, but also that I would never have a lack of information to teach. I think that holds true to teaching at any forum. When we are reading from the best books, we will always have information to teach others, and we will also be learning constantly too as we continue on that path. Question 2. How can I find joy in what I'm learning? I got also more good feedback from my peers, and some of the things that they had suggested was make it fun, work hard, and discover truth. One of my peers had mentioned that when she was growing up, she was homeschooled, and some of the most memorable things that she enjoyed learning were the things that brought her happiness, the ways that her parents made learning fun. And I think that when we're having fun, it's a lot easier to have joy. And then also working hard and discovering truth. When we work hard and discover truth, that's a big payoff, and that does bring a lot of joy. And I think that it's important to always have in our mind when we're teaching to make it fun, to work hard and make sure that we are going to the correct avenues to find and discover truth. Number 3, how can I be more consistent in my studies when I'm busy? This is kind of a hard one. Well, at least it's hard to implement, but we know the answers. And some of the best things we can do is set SMART goals, make sure that our goals are measurable, prioritize and follow up. Take a look at those goals on a constant basis and make sure that I'm doing the things I need to and holding myself accountable and doing the most important things first. And then also developing good habits early on, making sure that I'm doing the things that I need to be able to accomplish all the most important things that need to be done. And my umbrella question, which is the course essential question, is how do I learn? This week I kind of referred to it as an umbrella question because all of these other questions fall underneath it and they all build upon each other. And here's what I came up with is that in James 1, 5 through 6, we are taught that if we will ask of God, that He will help us, that He will give us the answers. And Heavenly Father wants us to learn, and if we go to Him and ask Him to help us, He wants to help, and He will. And then also learning by finding joy and having consistent good habits. And that's all I have for this week. Thank you.